We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the THERMOS FUNTAINER water bottle with straw, the 12-ounce stainless steel vacuum-insulated water bottle designed specifically for kids. This product is a popular choice among parents and caregivers looking for a reliable, durable, and fun water bottle for children. The THERMOS brand, trusted since 1904, brings its 120 years of expertise in food and beverage containers to this product, ensuring quality and performance. The bottle features vacuum insulation technology that keeps drinks cold for up to 12 hours, making it ideal for school days, outdoor play, and everyday hydration. The 18/8 stainless steel construction provides durability to withstand the typical drops and dings that come with kids' use. This bottle is lightweight and compact, designed with a push-button lid for easy opening and an integrated carry handle with a soft touch grip, making it convenient for children to carry around. The hygienically covered pop-up straw is removable for easy cleaning, and while the bottle is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain its longevity. The THERMOS FUNTAINER comes in a variety of fun colors and licensed character patterns, including popular themes like Pokemon and Super Mario Bros., which add an element of excitement for kids. Many users have praised the bottle for its ability to keep water cold throughout long school hours and outdoor activities. Parents report that even when the bottle is left outside during playtime or in a car on hot or cold days, the water temperature remains consistent. The 12-ounce capacity is considered perfect for young children, providing enough hydration without being too bulky or heavy for small hands. The bottle's lock functionality is easy to use and effectively prevents leaks and spills when closed, which is a major plus for parents concerned about messes in backpacks or bags. The straw design is highly appreciated for being soft and easy for kids to drink from, and the removable parts make cleaning straightforward. Some parents have noted that the straws can be chew-resistant, but replacement straws are available, which extends the bottle's usability. The durability of the bottle is frequently highlighted. Families who have used the THERMOS FUNTAINER for multiple years report that it withstands rough handling, including drops and dents, without compromising performance. The bottle's sturdy construction and dishwasher-friendly design make it a practical choice for long-term use. While the bottle is praised for being spill-proof when the lid is securely closed, some users mention that water can spill if the lid is left open or if toddlers hold the bottle upside down. This is a minor drawback, but something to be aware of for very young children. The vibrant and attractive designs featuring licensed characters are a significant draw for kids, encouraging them to drink more water throughout the day. Parents have shared that their children enjoy the interactive features like the push-button lid and the soft straw, which makes hydration fun and easy. Overall, the THERMOS FUNTAINER 12-ounce water bottle is a highly recommended product for parents looking for a reliable, stylish, and functional hydration solution for their children. It combines the trusted quality of the THERMOS brand with kid-friendly features and durable construction. If you have this water bottle, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help other parents make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access to this excellent kids water bottle.